host. Today, we're going to be making Scarecrow Snack Mix. Before we get started, smash that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can be part of my unicorn making community. The ingredients you'll need is Reese's peanut butter cups, pumpkin candy corn, 5 boxes of caramel popcorn, these mini pretzels, a trick-or-treat bowl, and inside the trick-or-treat you're going to need a spatula, a measuring cup, and a spoon to mix it all up. And then also you're going to need is my secret ingredient, orange crystal sprinkles. Sprinkles, sprinkles, sprinkles. And then you're going to need these fancy cups. Let's get started. First, I'm going to take my big trick-or-treat mixing bowl, and then I'm going to open up the 5 boxes of popcorn. I'm going to need my trusty scissors. That's one bag. Now we're going to need the next. This is the 3rd box. Okay, now we're doing the 4th box. Oh, it smells like caramel and popcorn. Now this is the 5th box, and it's the final, last one. Whoa, that's close. Okay, pour it on. Whoa, that's a lot of popcorn. Now we got a lot of garbage here. Okay, let's open this up. I'm doing half of this because this is actually pretty big. I think this is actually 2 cups. It's like falling out of the bag and I'm trying to do it. It says 1 cup. I didn't know. Okay. 2nd cup. Whoa. That's 2 cups. Now this will be a 3rd, but not final, because we need, wait, how many cups? 3. Okay, this is our last one, actually. Oh, never mind, that's 4. Whoa, look at all that. Whoa, the pretzels actually taste really good. Now we're going to add the mellow pumpkin candy corn. And we only need 1 bag if you're wondering. Whoa. Okay, now next we're going to add the candy corn. They're basically the same thing, except one's pumpkin and this is candy corn. Now we're going to add the Reese's and Reese's peanut butter. Whoa, did not expect that to happen. Okay, this is already unwrapped because it says it right here. And we're going to add the whole entire bag of this. Now we're going to add the Reese's peanut butter pieces and then it looks like I'm really angry. That was more than I expected. And now we're gonna add the orange sprinkles. Okay, now we're gonna add a little bit of my secret ingredient, orange sprinkles. That's good. Now we're gonna mix it all up with this whisk-free spatula, or I call it spoon. gonna get a big... Popcorn. Guys, you know something weird? That I never had the mellow candy corn and I never had the Reese's Pieces. Now I'm gonna start the Scarecrow Snack Mix. Whoa. Now I'm starting to taste test, but who should I call on? Lucy and Luca. Lucy. Luca. Luca.
I guess he's not coming. I think he's playing his video games again.
You want a taste test?
Sure.
Hey, go ahead. Okay.
Good.
Now it's my turn to taste test. Very good. Lucy, how much percent is it?
Maybe like 1,000.
Oh, why not 2,000?
How much percent is it?
I think it's 200 million thousand.
Well, that's a lot.
I know, because I love it so much.
You love it?
Yeah. Oh guys, remember, smash that like and subscribe to my channel so you can be part of my unicorn making community. Happy Halloween! Bye!
3, 2, 1.
Next!
Wait, do that again. Wait until I'm done speaking. Coming down in 3, 2, 1.
Next! We're gonna open the bag.
Serafina, can I help you?
No! Get out of here! I'll make sure you can taste that, but no, not now.
Jeez!
Now I'm gonna put it. What?
Cut.
I forgot my line.
Cut.
Now it's time to taste test, but who should I call on? Lucy, Luca, Lucy, Luca.